Hi everyone, welcome to Quality Insights by Patent Cloud. Quality Insights provides text-searchable file wrappers from prosecution history and post-grant proceedings. With our OCR technology, you can search in or across file wrapper data to spot any prosecution history estoppel or documentary claim scope disavowal issues. The history page includes the following summaries: event history, family status, and prior art status. The number shown underneath event history represents the number of events up until this day, including prosecution and post-grant proceedings. You can see that this patent, until now, has undergone many legal cases in the timeline below. The labels under each event highlight key stages during the events. You can get a detailed timeline of each event by clicking on them and scrolling down. The prosecution history timeline is dotted with office actions, or OAS. You can see the date for each event by mousing over each event. The dark dots are rejection documents in the prosecution history. In the post-grant cases, dark dots represent petitions and decisions. Prior art references cited by examiners or petitioners on the legal basis of double patenting, Section 102 or Section 103 issues, and pertinent patents in the specific event are highlighted here. To find out more detail about the OAS, click on Grounds. The number next to grounds suggests the number of grounds that qualify rejections made by examiners or petitioners. You can click on each OA to see its file wrapper, including the prior art and corresponding claims for each ground. Whether it's petition, patent owner's preliminary response, or institution decision, Quality Insights offers not only the PDF file but also a text-searchable format. In addition, the PDF and text formats are aligned side by side for ease of use. Similarly, docket entries of post-grant proceedings can do the same. Moving on to the family status summary, you can view a map that summarizes all the family members by legal status, which includes abandoned application, active, pending, and pre-granted publication. Under prior art status, you can see the bar chart that summarizes the prior art provided. Each bar represents the number of prior art sources identified by Quality Insights and its relation to the patent at issue. These include non-final rejection and final rejection in event history and prior art finder, prior art from European rejections in family prior art, and cross-linguistic prior art references and semantic prior art. The File Wrapper Search tab serves as a repository of major document images of the patent at issue, including: first, all versions of patent specifications and claim amendments. Second, rejections, remarks, and notice of allowances in prosecution history. Third, petitions, responses, and replies, and decisions in post-grant proceedings. Use the Click to Check button to view or download the original document for each record. You can also click on the download icon to get all records. Thanks for watching.